Stress. It's that all too common, dreaded 5-letter word. It is rare that any of us right now, having a human experience here on Earth, especially in the current state of our world affairs, hasn't felt some level of stress and anxiety. I certainly can share with you that in my practice as an integrated doctor, 1 in every 3 adult visits or so during my day is actually for someone who is feeling some level of nervous tension, stress, or lack of sleep. It's a real growing concern. A 2018 University of Pennsylvania sleep study estimated that 25% of the population suffers insomnia. A large majority of these people are in fact suffering it chronically, and most are driven by the sense of overwhelm, stress, and worry of our modern lifestyles. A few definitions first as we understand sleep a little bit more. Latency, in fact, refers to how quickly it takes to fall asleep. And if we wake throughout the night, it is termed sleep maintenance insomnia. While it is complex to understand all the science of sleep and the brain's activity during sleep, it is established that certain receptors that promote neurotransmitters, these are the chemicals in the brain, GABA, serotonin, melatonin, which is a product of our pineal, play a role in turning down glutamate. This is the excitatory chemical, and it actually helps with turning down the nerve cells. The Stress No More kit from Alive Innovations is a combination of 2 quality, quick-dissolve nutraceutical products, Theanine, GABA, and a 3rd product, Microblend, SLP EZ. Theanine has to be probably one of the most commonly prescribed supplements in my practice. In fact, it's probably amongst the top 5. It has a calming and anxiety-reducing influence. It's derived from green tea. Some patients of mine actually report that they feel the effect of it almost immediately. The Alive Innovations version of this is effective as a quick-dissolve tablet. Theanine, in fact, works on the subunits of the GABA receptor in the nervous system. GABA also has a direct influence on reducing the secretion of, again, those exciting neurochemicals in the brain. So it's similar to action in theanine, but potentially it has a different target in the nervous system. While these products on their own are effective, a Korean study in 2019 found that the combination of both of them, the GABA and the theanine, together reduced the latency of sleep by 20% and increased the quality of sleep by 30% than if we used them individually. Doses, of course, will depend on weight and will vary. If taken for sleep, it should be taken an hour before sleep. If someone is suffering anxiety or nervousness in my practice, I have also suggested doses up to 2 times a day of both theanine and the GABA. Of course, we can all use longer, more refreshed sleep to wake and to help face the day and raise the threshold for dealing with stress in our bodies. Finally, the combination of these nutrients in the Stress No More kit is further enhanced by the addition of the Microblend formula, SLP EZ. It is, in fact, a unique combination of the nerve-relaxing herbs, lemon balm, valerian, chamomile in microdose. The moxie of the formula, however, is the influence on the receptors of melatonin and serotonin. It also has tonic influences on the pineal gland. These are safe, effective remedies, of course, when used as per standard doses on the label, and with care around the operation of machinery or driving. One should always check drug interactions with their doctor or their healthcare provider.